The Biden administration is buying an additional 200 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine ahead of the potential need for booster shots and a vaccine for children under the age of 12 later this year. The action comes as the highly contagious Delta variant is driving up coronavirus infections across the country. New cases are up 167% in the U.S. over the past 2 weeks. This is just 49% of Americans are fully vaccinated. Michael George is here with the latest. Michael, good morning.
Dana, good morning. Cases right now are exploding in areas where people aren't vaccinated. Take Alabama, the state with the lowest vaccination rate. COVID cases have doubled there in a week. And Republican Governor Kay Ivey made a strong plea to people refusing to get the vaccine.
We've got to get folks to take the shot. The vaccine is the greatest weapon we have to fight COVID. There's no question about that.
Only 39% of Alabamans are vaccinated. 60% are not.
What is it going to take to get people to get shots in ours?
I don't know. You tell me. Folks supposed to have common sense. But it's time to start blaming the unvaccinated folks, not the regular folks. It's the unvaccinated folks that are letting us down.
Less than half of the population in 16 states have received at least one dose of a COVID vaccine, bringing more patients to hospitals in need of critical care.
None of us believe that we would be in the situation that we were in now if we would have more of our population vaccinated.
Dr. Frank Cormier is medical director at Our Lady of Lourdes Hospital in Louisiana. It's a top COVID hotspot state, along with Nevada, Florida, Arkansas, and Missouri.
We're starting to experience enough patients where it concerns us once again that we're utilizing a major part of our resources are being shifted to being able to help and accommodate the influx of patients.
A concern echoed in San Antonio, where Chief Charles Hood runs emergency services.
Our citizens are still going to be in accidents. They're still going to be injured. They're still going to have heart attacks. That causes us to potentially divert to other locations, and maybe they don't get the standard of care as quick as they could.
So once again, doctors, nurses, and first responders are being stretched to the limits in some parts of the country. And it's been frustrating for some because most of the serious cases they're treating could have been easily prevented if the patients had been vaccinated. Jeff?
Michael, thank you very much. As you know,